As a content creator, I've been exploring various video editing software options, and one that has caught my attention lately is Olive Video Editor. Olive is a free and open source video editing tool that has been steadily gaining popularity in the creative community. In the next few minutes, I'll be walking you through the fundamental aspects of Olive Video Editor, covering key features and workflows that will get you started on creating your own video projects. Go ahead and download the free software to get started. One of the best things about Olive is its cross-platform availability. You can download it for Windows, Mac, or Linux. I used the latest version 0.2 for this tutorial. The user interface of Olive is quite intuitive, with a familiar layout to anyone who has used other video editing software. At the bottom we got the project panel, media viewer, sequence viewer, and timeline all work together seamlessly to provide a comprehensive editing experience. One of the things I really appreciate about Olive is its flexibility. You can customize the workspace to suit your preferred workflow, and the ability to use multiple monitors for editing can be a game changer for those with more complex projects. To reset the layout to the default, go to Window menu and select Reset to Default Layout. To begin video editing, start by importing your media, including video clips, images and music, into the project window. You can also import media by dragging and dropping files directly from Windows Explorer into the project pane. You can utilize the Quick Filter feature to quickly locate specific media. To begin, drag a clip to the timeline or drag it to the footage viewer window. In the footage viewer, you can set in and out points to isolate the most interesting part of the clip. Press the play button to preview the footage. Use the hotkeys I and O to set the in and out points, then drag the clip into the timeline. Next, set the project settings, including the width and height of the output video. Drag another clip, this time an image, onto the timeline. The image appears on top. You can adjust the position and size of the image by dragging its handles. Snapping is enabled by default. Use the magnet icon to toggle this feature on or off. You can assign a specific color to each clip. Olive comes with some basic transitions. Select Add Default Transition from the context menu. To cut a clip, select the knife tool from the toolbar, then click on the clip and delete the unwanted portion. To add a title, select the title command, then drag a rectangle to create the title area. Select the title and adjust the font, color, and alignment to your liking. When you have finished video editing, it's time to export the file. Select the Export command from the File menu. Then review or edit the export settings as needed and press the Export button. That's it. This concludes the basic video editing tutorial in Olive Video Editor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.